Hello everyone! Today we will move through a short yoga sculpt to tone your arms and your core. We will mostly use body weight, but I'll be also using this 1 kg dumbbell. Feel free to use anything you have available to you. You can use a shampoo, bottles, water bottle, cans of food, or you can do it without as well. So let's begin by grounding to the body. Just close your eyes for a moment and then just noticing how the air comes in and out. Just observing in and out. Trying to breathe through the nostrils. Take a deep breath in and out. This is already a form of meditation, of connecting deeply with your body. Inhale, exhale. So next, inhale, start to spread your arms, pull the chest forward. As you exhale, bring the arms around you, give yourself a hug. Inhale again. Exhale, round your back slightly, giving yourself a hug. Inhale once more, pull the chest forward. Exhale, again a big hug. Now start to bring your arms up, sliding the fingertips and grabbing opposite elbow. Pull the arms up, inhale and back a little bit, exhale. Release the arms. Now from here, you're gonna bring the dorsal of the hands on your lower back, opening the chest. Let's do some circles with the arms to wake up your shoulders. Inhale, big circle up, touch the back of your neck. Exhale, big circle down. Touch the dorsal of the hands on your lower back, feeling that rotation. Inhale up, touch the back of your neck. Exhale down. And one more time. Now, this time we're going to interlace the fingers and pull the arms up and lengthening the spine. As you exhale, bring the palms facing you. Tuck the chin, round your back. Squeeze the belly. Inhale again, we bring the palms up. Pull the chest forward. Exhale, palms facing you. Keep pulling the arms round your back. And one last time. Inhale, pull the arms up. Now bring your arms here to the sides in a T shape. Relax the shoulders away from the ears. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Keep your upper body super strong. And we're just going to try to move here. The palms up and down. Trying to move just your forearms. Up and down. Nice and strong movement. Keeping your upper body strong. You're going to feel little burning sensations in your wrists. It means they are waking up. It's really, really good. Also to tone your arms and to prepare your wrists for the movements. One, a little bit more. And shake it off. Now bring the hands down into your tabletop. Let's walk a little bit the hands to the sides to wake up the wrists, to warm up the wrist a little bit more. Walk in any direction. And don't stop moving. Now stop here, fingertips to the sides, add little movements. And bring the palms back, fingertips pointing forward. We're gonna root down the hands, tuck the toes back. Keep those hands super strong and lift the knees here. Deep inhale, exhale, tuck the knees down. And we're gonna do this for 8. And lift. Keep that core tight and drop. 7, top and up. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We hold here. Start to extend the legs, send the hips high, downward dog. Here we press the floor strongly, sending your weight more to the legs. Deep inhale. Walk your dog. Deep exhale. Now lift the heels, shift the weight forward to your plank and breathe here. Deep inhale. Keep pressing those hands. Exhale, bring the knees, chest and chin down. From here, we're just gonna go halfway Bring your arms to the sides into 90 degrees. We're gonna lift the arms and squeeze your shoulder blades for 8, 7, look down, 6, squeeze those shoulder blades, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold here. Bring the hands now underneath your shoulders. Press it up to cobra now. Pull the chest forward, inhale. Exhale, tuck the chin, tuck the tailbone, round your spine. And child's pose for a little break. Extending your arms in front of you, maybe open and close. Your hands fall a little bit. And slowly back to tabletop. So press the hands strongly on the floor. Step back with your right foot and step back with the left, keeping your hips low and the core tight. Step forward into your floating table and back. Just for 8. Keep the core tight. Keep the hips low. 7. 6. Squeeze that belly in. And 5. Nice. 4. 3. Yes or not. 2. 1. Bring the knees down. And let's grab our weights. We're gonna be in a kneeling position. Slightly tuck up your tailbone. Chest open, straight line with your spine. Bring the arms to the sides. And we're just gonna bring the palms up and down. Again. Here with the weights, we feel more on your shoulders. Just up and down. Tiny little movements. Woo! Nice. Now bring the palms up. Keep everything strong, core strong and bent. Curl in the biceps curls for 8. 7, squeeze. 6, 5, 4, 3. If you're not using weights, you still can feel it if you actually engage the muscles, engage them properly. 2, 1. Now here, bring the palms forward and bring your elbows in and out for 8, 7. Squeeze your shoulder blades. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release the weights. Bring the arms up. Inhale, lengthening the spine. Exhale, fold to child's pose. Inhale, tabletop. Pressing the hands. Exhale, lock the elbows, chest and chin down. Inhale, slide into cobra. Exhale, tuck the chin, tuck the toes, downward dog. Inhale, look in between the hands. Exhale, step with the left foot. Right knee comes down, bring the arms up. Inhale, exhale, bend the elbows, pull the chest forward, bring the pelvis a little bit forward. Deep inhale here. Now you're gonna grab your weights and 8 up. 7, keep the core tight. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release the weights. Bring the hands down. Add little movements. Tuck the back toes. Lift the back knee. Stepping back into your plank again. Now we're going to try to do full chaturanga. Or you can bring the knees down. So shift the weight forward. Inhale. Press the hands. Exhale. Bend the elbows. Full chaturanga. Inhale, cobra. Exhale. Tuck the toes. Tuck the chin. Down dog. Inhale, look between the hands. Exhale, step with your right foot. Left knee comes down. Coming up, arms up. Inhale. Exhale, bend the elbows. Grab your weights. Now we're going to do some triceps. So lean forward here. Keep pressing that right foot strongly on the floor. Elbows locked. Extend and squeeze those triceps for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, if you're not using weights, just feel that movement. Put the weights down, bring the hands down, inhale. Exhale, step back and come into your child again. Now we're gonna do a little puppy pose here. Walk the fingertips forward until your hips start to come up and sending that tailbone up. You're gonna press the fingertips down here. So as you inhale, tuck the tailbone, tuck the chin, round your back slightly. Exhale, sink in the chest and send the tailbone up again. Look between the hands. Inhale, round. Exhale, deepen. Inhale, round, tuck the chin. Exhale, deepening, melting your chest to the earth and looking between the hands. Inhale, round. Exhale, down. Feel that nice opening in your upper back. Inhale, round. Exhale, deepening. Inhale, round. Exhale, deepening. Release the hands. Bring your forearms down, bending the elbows. Start to shift forward here and slowly bring the hips down. And bring your arms to the sides. I'm gonna mess with my micro maybe. So bring your right arm to the side. Align your right arm with your shoulder. Press the left hand down. The left foot comes up. Feel that right arm extended to the side. And start to bring your left foot towards the right hand side on the floor. And rest your forehead down. Beautiful way to open up here your chest and shoulder. Breathe. If you feel it's too deep, you can go back with the chest a little bit towards the floor. If you feel you can go a little bit deeper, press the hand and bring the weight a little bit more on top of that arm. And breathe. So I'm showing you another angle. The arms extended. And we just transfer the weight on top of that arm. And slowly come back. Bring your left arm to the side, aligned with your shoulder. Bring your right foot up and reach the foot towards the floor. Pressing your right hand down and let go. Deep inhale. Deep exhale. And slowly back to center. Bring your elbows here underneath your shoulders and press your forearms. Here, pulling the chest forward into this Sphinx pose. Squeeze the shoulder blades, pull the chest forward. Inhale, look up. Exhale, gonna tuck the chin, tuck the tailbone, and see if you can lift the hips slightly. Squeeze the belly in. Inhale again, pull the chest forward. Exhale, tuck the chin, tuck the tailbone, rounding your spine, squeeze the belly. And one more time, inhale, pull the chest forward. Exhale, tuck the chin, tuck the tailbone. From here, tuck the toes, lift the knees and hold and breathe. Deep inhale, deep exhale, maybe shift a little bit forward. Breathe through the belly. Squeeze the belly in. I know. 3, 2, 1. Drop the knees. Child. Now bring the forearms down. Press the forearms, opening the chest. Squeeze the belly in. Bring the legs 90 degrees. Now we tap one foot at a time for 8, 7, squeeze that belly and keep the chest open. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now bring them here. We're gonna bring the legs a little V shape, but you don't need to come too low here. Just go halfway for 8, 7. Keep that core tight. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now my last one. Bring the soles of your feet together. We're gonna tap one foot at a time down for 8. Squeeze. You're gonna feel your inner thighs, your deep core muscles. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold and bring the soles of your feet down. We're gonna lay down in our backs. Let's do a little glute bridge here. Squeeze those glutes. Keep that core tight and pressing the soles of your feet down. Option, use your weights in front of you and lift one knee at a time. We're gonna go for 20, 19, 18. Squeeze that belly and keep those legs strong. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, squeeze, 8, 7, 6. Option, you can also bring the hands down if it helps. In the beginning, it might be a little bit harder if you're not used to do that. So keep the hands as well. You're gonna feel a little bit of more of a support and slowly squeeze the glutes. Drop the knees, drop the hips down and hug the knees. Breathe. And breathe. Add some little movements. From here, we're gonna roll up and down. Round the back, keep the core tight. Roll it up. Just a couple of times, just for fun. But keeping your core tight. Nice. And slowly coming up. Take another deep breath in, bringing the arms up, lengthening to the spine. Exhale, bring the hands to heart. Bowing in gratitude and honor to this body, this movement. Thank you so much. Namaste.